Hello friends, my name is Mukesh Betanna. As we have seen tenses and transformation of the sentence, now email writing. In long writing, it is very important to learn this. First, what is email writing? Understand it? Email is electronic mail. It is the exchange of stored communication of computer through communication. It is exchange of stored information or communications of computer through telecommunication. These messages are in text form. They are sent from one computer to another through telephone lines and stored in a remote computer till the receiver goes through them. It is remain stored in computer till receiver goes through or gets it. So, if the question arises, what is email writing? Email is electronic mail. It is the exchange of stored communication of computer through communication. It is exchange of stored communication of computer through communication. These messages are, see in second line last word these is there, so not any confusion arise. These messages are in text form. They are sent from one computer to another, sending from one computer to another computer through telephone lines and stored in a remote computer. Remote is there in fourth line last word, remote, R-E-M-O-T-E. Remote computer till the receiver goes through them, till the receiver not seeing, till that it remain in the computer. Clear? Like a letter. See, while reading an email, we must bear in mind that the messages sent are clear, concise and to the point. In second paragraph, first line, last word, that is the. While reading an email, we must bear in mind that the messages sent are clear, concise means short, clear and to the point. Not unnecessary description should be there. To the point, clear and concise, telling in short, main points, telling in short, it is email. Next, messages sent by email are cheaper and can cover a large area throughout the world. Cover large area throughout the world, it is cheaper and immediately it reaches. The advantage in email is speed. You can send or respond to messages or send the receive entire documents in seconds. Again, third, messages sent by the email are cheaper and cover a large, first line, last letter large, L-A-R-G, area throughout the world, not limited to the state, country, but throughout the world. The advantage in email is speed, S-P-E-E-D, second line, last letter, speed. You can send or respond to messages or send and receive entire, E-N-T-I-R-E, third line, last letter, last word, entire documents in second. In a second, you can send your documents. Email divided into two parts, two divisions. For example, address and messages. With the help of address, a message can be sent to the proper person proper person, formalities such as salutation and subscription can be avoided. Means no need of writing, can be avoided. Clear? So we have to keep in mind email. What is email writing? Email is electronic mail. It is exchange of stored communication of computer through telecommunication. Clear? To send the messages. See, now not in this question you will be asked to write an email depending on the given subject. You are to prepare a draft for email. Total 4 marks are allotted for this question in board exam also. This asking. Clear? That is why we need learning. See, write an email to your friend congratulating him or her on his or her success. Write an email to your friend congratulating him or her on his or her success. Both given his or her, that means gent then his, girls then her. First you have to write, that is your address, shalu2006@yahoo.com, January 12, 2013. Any date you can write, but month spelling you have to write, that keep in mind, month number not that, or you should not write. Compulsory this you write too. minu14@hotmail.com. Both the email address you have to write from first your address, then to whom you want to send their address. From you first write then your address, like this, and to then means to whom you are writing their email address. Email, right. Subject, congratulations on success. Here you have to write subject also, on which topic you are going to write email. My dear Minu, today's paper is before my eyes. Your photo on the front page speaks volumes. Volume means many things, much. It tells that you have stood first in the board examination. I congratulate you on your brilliant success. You have achieved that type of achievement, so congratulate you on your brilliant success. You are the industrious and promising daughter of a hard-working father. Industrious that you know, active, who is believing in working, and promising daughter of a hard-working father. Everyone knows that your father had stood first in the whole district. That means her father also got success in this particular study. You have followed in his footsteps. You have maintained this in footsteps. You have been burning the midnight oil, means work till at night. You have been burning the midnight oil in the sense till working till at night. Your hard work has borne fruit. You must be feeling elated. Your hard work must born this, and you must work sincerely. Your parents and teachers had planned all their expectations on you, and you have not felt them. Your parents has kept higher expectations, and you have not felt them. You deserve my heartiest congratulations. Again he congratulated to her. Please convey the same to your parents, and giving her regards to her parents also. Yours sincerely, Shalu. So in this way, short, effective, to the point and clear writing should be there in email. Clear? Next, email number 2. Write an email to your friend asking him about the health of his mother. From Gaurang14@yahoo.com, February 5, 2013 to Nath 26@yahoo.com. Subject: inquiring about the health of a friend's mother. Asking about health. My dear Nath, last time when I met you, you were worried about the health of your mother. What Gaurang writing to his friend Nath? That last time he meet him, he is himself telling, I meet you, that at that time you were worried about the health of your mother. She was under the treatment of Dr. Shah. She was suffering from serious ailment means disease. You have been nursing her day and night, providing or taking care of day and night. Your concern for your mother is genuine, means taking care is very praisable, or what you call praiseworthy. After all, it is she who has brought you up after the demise of your father, means his father died, and she took the care of her son and brought up, made him young. She has educated you, providing facility for education, that means educated you. She has acted both as your father and mother, because in the absence of father, she performed both the duty as a father and as a mother. To serve such a dear mother is really a matter of great pride. In this situation, to serve, it is really the matter of pride. It is your paramount duty to look after her health. It is his duty to take care of his mother. See next page. I am greatly hopeful of her recovery. Further telling that I am greatly hopeful for her recovery. Write to me post haste about. See, write to me post, then haste is there last, which word cannot be seen. Again in first line, I am greatly hopeful of her recovery. Write to me post, then haste is there, HASTE, haste about the health of your dear mother. Again, I am greatly hopeful of her recovery. Write to me post haste about the health of your dear mother. Your letter will allay all my fears. Your letter coming, then the particular fear will not be there. I will not rest till I get an encouraging news. I will not rest till I get an encouraging news from your side. Yours sincerely, Gaurang. From your side. Again, see in first line of this letter, last word, that is haste, post haste. First line, last letter. Second line, last letter, LA all, ALLAY, then all, ALL. And third line, last letter, from your side. Yours sincerely, Gaurang. So asking about mother's illness. See. Now see, write an email to your younger brother asking him not to work very hard or tax himself too much, not taking too much tension. That have to write. See, from Puneet 26@yahoo.com, January 17, 2013. Pankit India @indiatimes.com. Subject, avoid overworking. Working is necessary but not over. It should not be over. My dear Pankit, I am in receipt of your school progress report. It tells about your brilliant performance in all school subjects, but zero, then in second line last one, in physical exercise. it is a matter of great sadness. What Puneet writing that I am in receptance of your school progress. I got the report, school progress report. It tells about your brilliant performance, good performance in all school subjects, but zero in physical exercise. It is a matter of great sadness. It is not good, because with the education should take part in other matter also, particularly physical exercise, yoga. Then it is possible that we can maintain fitness. So telling that your result good, brilliant performance, best performance you have shown, but in physical exercise that is zero, not paying attention towards it. It is not also good. Dear Pankit, you have been in the hospital for over a month. A is there, over, then only A is there. In second paragraph, first line, again, dear Pankit, exclamation mark, you have been in the hospital for over, then A only is there, over a month. You are extremely frail and weak, not feeling good. You are still continuing medicine. That means you are continually taking medicine. Continuing is there in second line, last word. Continuing medicine. You must observe precautions, take care. What instruction given have to follow. It is said that prevention is better than cure. Prevention is there. Third line, last word, PREVENTION. Prevention is better than cure. Later when we become ill and then have to take medicine, it is better that don't be ill. That is why telling that prevention is better than cure. You need not work so hard. You need to take so much. Your feeble body, weak body, as it will tell upon your health. Again, you need not work so hard. You need not take so much. Your feeble body, weak body, your is there much, then your YOUR. Your feeble body, as it will tell upon your health. Your fever can, then can is there. Your fever can relapse. It's bow down. You can fall prey to serious illness if you do not pay attention. Your fever again coming, you can fall prey to a serious illness. Pray that become victim of serious illness. You should know, last word, third line, know is there, KNOW, that nothing is more important than this life. Education come but at second stage. First, that is priority, we should go towards our health. That is why telling that nothing is more important than this life. If one is hell and is there, if one is hell and hearty, he will enjoy all the blessing of life. If he, the person who is happy and physical health good, then he can enjoy all blessing of life. But if one is ill, ILL, then all coming, ill then all, ALL, the charm of life ends automatically. But if one is ill, then naturally cannot enjoy and charms come to an end automatically, not enjoying. What is the use of being industrious and hard-working, the cost of losing one's health? Hard-working, then at coming, at the cost of losing one's health. That word not read, printed, means not coming in this. See again, what is the use of being industrious and hard-working at the cost of losing one's health? What is the meaning of it if you lose your health then. But if keep yourself free from strain, strain, and tension. You should keep yourself free from strain and tension, strain. Do not exert too much, not too much work hard. Improve your health. Build your stamina. Improve your health, build, B-U-I-L-D. Third line, last word, B-U-I-L-D. Again, improve your health, build your stamina. Acquire more and more physical resistance. Take plenty of exercise. T-A-K-E, take is there in fourth line, last word. Again, acquire more and more physical resistance, capacity increase. Then take plenty of exercise, eat nourishing food, good, which provide that type of energy. Next time when we meet, then we is there. After when we meet, I want to see you healthy and glowing. I want to see you healthy and happy. Your loving brother, Punit. Punit giving this advice to give priority to the health, then to study. Next, number 4. Write an email to your friend describing him, your new house and new neighbors. See, from ashok14@yahoo.com, February 23, 2013 to vijay2006@yahoo.com. Subject, new house, new neighbors. My dear Vijay, Ashok is writing to Vijay. You will be happy to know that we have purchased a new house in a posh colony of Ahmedabad. What he want to say that he has purchased new house in a posh colony, posh area, cream area of Ahmedabad. It is in Bhopal. The place is extremely calm, quiet and serene. Calm, quiet and serene, same meaning. Totally peaceful atmosphere. The streets are quite wide and spacious. The house itself is situated on a nice plot of land. House in the nice plot of land. It is a corner plot. It is quite advantageous. It opens on all three sides. Naturally, corner plot is there, so three sides getting open. It is a double-story house. There are 3 rooms in the front portion and 3 in the rear. 3 rooms in the front, forward, and 3 in the rear. It is airy and well ventilated. There are marble floorings. Giving descriptions about ventilated, there are marble floorings also there. The walls are painted very beautifully. The pride of the house is its kitchen and bathroom. The pride of the house, that is kitchen and bathroom. Both are fully tiled. There is a beautiful marble tub inside the bathroom. There are metallic fittings. There is also the provision of a telephone and a shower bath. All these facility available. There is a system of cold and hot water. I have my own separate room for studies, and further giving information that he has special room for his studies. Our new neighbors are very nice people. On the right of our house is Mr. Juneja. Now giving the description of neighbors. He is a postgraduate teacher teaching mathematics. Quite a large number of students come to him for guidance. Mr. Juneja, who is a maths teacher, postgraduate, and many students come for guidance. Quite a large number of students come to him for guidance. These groups of boys and girls talk highly of his ability and hard work. This giving description, the group of boys and girls who came there for guidance to Mr. Juneja, who has ability of hard work. On the left is Mr. Dang, an officer in NBCC. He is thoroughly polite, courteous and gentle. Officer named Mr. Dang, who is also polite, respectable and courteous. I invite you and your parent to visit our new house, and giving invitation also to visit this new house. Yours sincerely, Ashok. So in this way, for example, we have seen of this particular email writing, and now you realize, understand how you have to write this. Clear? Prepare this, learn this, write one time, read 3 or 4 times and learn in this way so that you are able to write in exam. Okay? See you. Thank you. Bye.